So traders, as you guys have already saw the thumbnail and as you guys have already read the topic on today's video, all I'm just gonna do is to just get straight into the video. But before we start on the video, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. And so far, most importantly, click that link, just sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend, so you can forever be on the safe side in 2026. So as you guys have already knew, our take on nasdaq and our overall focus on nasdaq, right? Price has highs and price has lows. Obviously, that's being support and that's being resistance. In simple terms, price is holding a range, right? And with price holding a range, there's nothing that we're gonna do until price gives us a certain reaction, either a break above of our resistance, so look for possible new all-time highs, or a break below of our support to anticipate that possible reversal to the downside, right? But if we don't get both of those we anticipate, then I guess we might look to be bullish above our support and be bearish below our resistance, right? So just to keep things simple for this coming week of the 19th of the 16th up and until the 20th, we just don't have a trade idea, because that's our focus within what we anticipate. Is price going to give us a break above resistance to look for those new all-time highs, or a break below our support to look for those reversals to the downside? That's all we're going to be focusing on and keeping our eyes and attention on nasdaq. If there's nothing that if there's nothing above from that, then we won't put our money to work. We're just gonna let nasdaq be nasdaq and play out without us as UT Academy traders, right? But without further ado, second pair, which is gold, right? And gold, we might look to have those intraday tradable setups, right, based on this core fundamental, right? And please go check out our Q1 insight, right, for gold, so you can understand and get the picture into what I'm about to share to you guys, right? So understanding that price is this high, and then price has printed out this low, right? And with that being said, price is now holding an intraday resistance, right? So with this intraday resistance, all we're now going to be focusing on, based on us having to wait for confirmation, right, is price going to give us a break of our intraday resistance in anticipation of possible highs, right, of a continuation to the upside, or is price going to give us a fill to break, so we can look for that intraday reversal to the downside? Because you can clearly see that price gave us a first reaction and push to the downside, and second reaction which didn't have much momentum, and a third reaction which had a little bit of momentum. Now looking forward into the new coming week, what's going to happen based on us having to say we're waiting for confirmation? Are we going to get a break above in anticipation of continuation to the upside, or a fill to break in anticipation of that move to the downside, as prices had multiple reactions below this racing? So that's all we're going to be focusing on. So gold might be a tradable pay only if it plays out as we anticipate. If not, we don't put our money to work on gold. But that further would do. Last but not least, we're having USDCad, and USDCad also going to be waiting for confirmation, right? And this overall confirmation is based on what we shared on our previous midweek video. You can go check it out if you haven't checked it out, right? Price at a push giving us this low, and a push giving us this high, and a push giving us this low in anticipation of a possible double bottom, right? So what's going to happen from there? Is price going to continue moving to the upside? We just don't know. Or is price going to give us a something like this, and continue moving to the downside, based on price giving us a lower low, and price giving us a lower high, and then price pushing to the downside, giving us a fill to break our previous lower low, giving us a double bottom, and a push to the upside, giving us a high with multiple rejections within this high? Are we gonna get a push to the downside? We just don't know. That's why I say we wait for confirmation, and confirmation is based on us having to understand how is price gonna react and how is price gonna play out before we put our money to work, and that's what we're gonna be focusing on. So that's all we're gonna share on today's video, and that's all we're gonna leave you guys within our weekly trading outlook. If you got any value from the video, share the video to someone else. If you got any value from the video, subscribe to the channel And if you are looking for more exclusive Forex content, subscribe to the channel. And for the most part of it, our one-on-one and our online mentorship courses are soon to be open for bookings and inquiries. So take this number, just DM this account so you can book your spot, and so you can remain on the safe side, because it's gonna be congested and many people are gonna be looking forward. And if you're not on the booking list, then I guess you won't be educated and mentored by me. But without further ado, there's a boy Hello King COT, and I might get you guys in the next educational video. Bye for now.